Volkswagen Jetta GLI General Repairs. Volkswagen AG, known internationally as the Volkswagen Group, is a German multinational automotive manufacturing corporation headquartered in Wolfsburg, Lower Saxony, Germany. While the beloved Volkswagen Golf GTI has long lorded over its sedan counterpart, the 2020 Jetta GLI proves it's an equally athletic and more practical alternative. Sure, the sportiest Jetta lacks the visual appeal and upscale interior of its five-door sibling, but it does boast a larger backseat and trunk. Its 228 horsepower turbo four-cylinder engine is just as hasty, and both its manual and automatic transmissions are similarly engaging. The compact VW sedan also earns its performance cred with a delightful chassis that provides sharp responses and refined qualities, while the GTI may be the first pick for purists. The Jetta GLI's increased practicality and lower price tag have the power to change opinions and the goods to make our 2020 10 best list. Servicing a Volkswagen Jetta GLI is essential to keep the vehicle in good condition and ensure it runs smoothly. Here are the typical service and maintenance tasks that should be performed on a Volkswagen Jetta GLI. Oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial to maintain the engine's performance. The frequency of oil changes depends on the type of oil and driving conditions, but it's generally recommended every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Tire rotation and alignment. Rotating the tires and ensuring proper wheel alignment helps extend tire life and maintain stable handling. Brake inspection and maintenance. Regular brake inspections and brake pad replacements are essential for safety. Ensure the brake fluid is at the right level and replace it as recommended by the manufacturer. Air filter replacement. The engine air filter should be checked and replaced as needed to maintain engine efficiency. Cabin air filter replacement. The cabin air filter should be replaced regularly to ensure clean air inside the vehicle. Fluid checks. Check and top up various fluids, including coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Spark plug replacement. Spark plugs should be replaced at the manufacturer's recommended intervals for optimal engine performance. Battery inspection. Regularly inspect the battery for corrosion and ensure it's securely in place. Replace the battery as needed. Transmission service. Automatic transmissions should be serviced according to the manufacturer's recommendations, which may include changing the transmission fluid and filter. Suspension and shock inspection. Regularly inspect the suspension and shocks for wear and tear. Replace parts as needed to maintain ride comfort and handling. Exhaust system inspection. Check the exhaust system for leaks and damage. Replace components as necessary to ensure proper emissions and quiet operation. Timing belt or chain replacement. If your Volkswagen Jetta GLI has a timing belt, it should be replaced at the recommended interval. If it has a timing chain, it may not require regular replacement. Cooling system maintenance. Regularly inspect the cooling system, including the radiator, hoses, and thermostat. Ensure the cooling system is clean and well maintained. Electrical system check. Inspect the electrical system, including lights, fuses, and wiring, to ensure proper operation. Scheduled maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule found in the owner's manual, which outlines specific service intervals and tasks.